Hello brothers, how are you doing? I hope so you all are doing great. So in this video I'll be telling about how have been the 5 months for me been, and I know I haven't posted any video since last 5 months. I promised myself to buy a Porsche 911 by the next sleeper, but I didn't posted any videos, so you didn't have a checkup on my life, like how I've been improving and growing as a person. So in the upcoming days I'll be sharing like what I learned in the 5 months. I learned trading, website development, social media marketing, and a lot of other skills. I read a lot of books. I read, listened to a lot of podcast documentaries, and people do teach a lot of stuff that books and theoretical knowledge will never teach. And I think that with time you get to learn a lot of things. I believe that everything in this world is in abundance, and we should always tend to share it with the world so the world can access. I believe that do good and get good. Like if you give to the universe will give it back to you, like doubling or tripling. You can it can give you like 10 times too. So in this video I'll be telling like what I'll be doing in the upcoming days. So I'll just record myself and do the good things inculcate in my daily routine. So I'll be hitting gym. I'll do two deep work session of 4 hours, and I'll do meditation, journaling, and I'll just have a time with myself so that I can clear all of my mental catches. So, like mental peace is very important. Mental health is more important than physical health, because like at the end of the day you can bear physical pain like to some extent, but you cannot bear mental pain. Like it pains a lot. You just it just fucks up all of your mind, and all the stress, all the anxiety, eats you from inside. So I just want that everyone who is suffering, I just want everyone to help their knowns to get out of their mental shit. And so in the upcoming days I'll give the good book reviews which I have read. So I'll try to share the good points which I learned from the books. So I'll just summarize the books and record the videos and give it to you, so that you can, without wasting a lot of time, get the right knowledge which the book is trying to tell. So I'll be doing that in the upcoming days. So, and I'll do a lot of other stuff too. I'll do podcast and talk to other people. So, and I would like to you know request everyone to networking as much as possible, because like uh, when we were child, our parents used to tell do not meet strangers, they could do any harm to you. But like when you grow up, strangers are the only person which can give you new opportunities and new things which you can learn from. So I always suggest everyone, go approach anyone, like whatever you feel like. Do cold approaches, do cold calls, cold emails, whatever you feel like, so that you can get, like, everyone whom you met in the life was once a stranger, like except your mother and father. Everyone was a stranger. Your friends, your relatives, everyone was a stranger. So I just want that you go, show up to the world, meet new people, meet new opportunities, and get to learn from your mistakes. And one more thing I would like to add, like, go hit gym as much as possible, because consistency and discipline like is the only thing which can take you from rags to riches. And these are the only things, which are very important and are keen, they play a keen role to your success. So I don't think that I'm not successful. I think that the person is not successful. The mindset is successful. I have the right mindset, I'm successful at the moment. If you do not have the right mindset, you're not successful and you'll never be. Like it all depends on your mind. Like if you can think in your mind, like that will happen. Like whatever you say goes to universe. Like you just manifest what your life will be in the upcoming years, and work on that. You just don't manifest, you have to work, put on the efforts too. And when you hit gym daily, you'll get a habit of discipline, consistency, and that same discipline consistency will show in your work too. Like when you, whatever kind of work, whatever interest you're having, like building an agency, building a business, and you're doing startup, whatever you think, but it will definitely show some light on your work too. And one more thing I would like to add, do not hang with people with whom you do not want to be like. Always hang with happy people, positive mindset people, because The people who drag your energy, they drag your energy, they drag the negative, they drag the vibes, they give you negative vibes. So I always tell that you are the average of five people around you. But like with time, like a lot of generations has changed, and the I modified the line by myself, and I said by like this: you are the average of five content consumers content you consume. Because in today's generation, we are more on our screens rather than on the person, rather than with the person, sorry. And this is what I think, because you are the average of five content consumers you consume. Because we do not get to share like a huge amount of time of a day with person. We get to share a lot of amount of time with our screens, and our screens pop up the content consumers content we consume. And I would just like to uh, say sorry to, like, this is the first time recording myself, so I know I am stumbling, staggering and all. But like with time, with practice, I'll get the flow, like without. And I'm walking and recording with, after some time I'll be recording in a room, doing good quality videos. But with time everything improves. So time changes, so does the man, so does everything. So I just think that with time everything will change. You just have to believe in yourself. Like at the end of the day, nobody's coming to save you, nobody will believe in you. You just have to believe in yourself, and just believe in God and believe in yourself. That's the two things that will take you way ahead in your life.